Welcome back to 3.0 Explorers. Today we are doing our very first oil change. So Chuck here, he's going to take over. He is a journeyman heavy-duty mechanic, and he's going to be doing all the work.
Here are some pages from Jeep's 2020 Wrangler Diesel Supplement Manual. Today we're going to be showing you how to change the oil and filter. Unfortunately, we're not going to be showing you the other items on the list that you're supposed to be doing at every 16,000 kilometers. We are doing our oil change early, and Chuck's going to explain why later on in the video. As far as the DEF tank goes, we do keep it topped up on a pretty regular basis. We'll be showing you the rest of the items in a future video. As far as our oil goes, we follow the guidelines and use the Pennzoil Platinum Euro that meets FCA material standards MS 12991 and the API SN engine oil category. We chose this one over the Mopar one that the dealership did offer because it was cheaper and we did find it at our local Canadian Tire on sale. We did, however, purchase the Mopar engine oil filter at the local Chrysler dealership.
So we got 13 mil to get into this. That's not very tight at all. It's gonna be hot, so be careful.
All right, Chuck, what are you doing right now?
All right, we're gonna change the oil filter here. It's 1.16". Pretty easy to get into, but it's not gonna be easy to get out without making a mess. There's a lot of shit in there.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
There's a lot of things in there. Now let's see what we can do. It's coming out.
Oh,
Huh.
that's not too bad.
Hardly made a mess at all, actually.
Good.
There's our old filter. 11,490 kilometers.
Yeah.
It says to do it at 16,000. That's way too much. I don't feel comfortable with that. I build engines for a living, and I see a lot of damage from not good oil change intervals. So change your oil. It's cheaper than an engine.
All right, so here's the new filter.
We got a filter right from Dodge. It's the only place right now that we can get. Tried to source that. It didn't work.
At least here in Alberta. That's the only place we could find it.
Putting a little O-ring lubricant on the O-rings. Make it nice and slippery so you don't tear an O-ring. Cause yourself an oil leak. Or worse. Now let's get that back in there. This oil filter is a little tight to get in. So we're gonna just pull this back a little bit, slide it in there. Slides in real nice. That way. You gotta be careful. Just like that.
Oh, that's nice.
Click. I'm done. That's tight enough now. Just hand tight. It's not moving no more. I'm comfortable with that. There we go. Not very tight at all. Click. Now let's go fill her up. This one's not getting the pour.
Yeah, I got 3 of them, they all be different.
Perfect. 1.5 left.
You got that right.
Looks like we're right. Hard to focus on that, but we're rightful. See, we'll clean it off one more time. Nice and clean. Nice, easy dipstick to get in there. That's nice. Okay, 8.5 liters. We're good. All right, there it is. Our first oil change done. Start it up and see what happens. All right, oil's good. Let's go for a ride. Okay, here we are in the vehicle after it's running. Looks like they've made it real easy on this one. Hold OK and reset it. There we go. Can't do it that way, so we'll try it again. Engine is done. And there we are, reset just like that.
Well, we're on our way home and our first oil change was a success. How do you feel about that, Chuck?
That was a pretty easy oil change, just like the rest of them. I've done many, so I'm glad this one was a easy straightforward one. No access issues to the oil pan. Easy to get to the drain plug. Oil filter was mildly tricky to get in there, but it's nothing that I really concerned about. I hate the O-rings, the tightening. You can feel that squeeze, you know that filter's not tight yet. You just gotta make sure it's there. You don't want a loose oil filter and have oil all over the place. You want to make sure them O-rings are nice and lubed and don't tear, so you don't have oil all over the place. So that oil filter, that's really the only tricky part. Other than that, easy oil change, all done.
Awesome.